dalam pengakap. My name is Rifki. I represent Besta Scout Sentul Terengganu, Malaysia. Look yummy, right? Come, let me show you how to do it. Let's go. First, you need milk. Second, you need ice. Third, you need decoration. For sure, you need OREO cookies. Number 5, you need vanilla ice cream. Yummy. Now, let's make it. First, crush your OREO.